This rotation now pretty much between Hollywood and Turnerville, pretty much bearing down on Turnerville. This is Highway 23. So it's really been moving up 385 and 23 here up in Habersham County. And now it's this part right here, the red and green coming together, is where we see that rotation really pretty much bearing down. There's Orchard Drive. Here's Tugaloo right up here. That's getting closer there to the South Carolina line. And it's going to keep moving up into this direction. And there's Tallulah Falls, Tallulah Gorge Scenic Loop here, Shirley Grove. Again, just a look at some of those areas, cities, neighborhoods there in Northeast Georgia. And while we're wanting you to take cover there, this notch on reflectivity, Melissa, still looking pretty impressive. A lot of times with these new scans, you might see that disappear, but actually this looks like it's still holding together pretty well, both from the velocity mode and the reflectivity that we're seeing here too.
It definitely does, and that's one of the signs that there's some drier air coming into the storm, and it allows that little notch area, a little bit of rotation continues. So we still have the gate-to-gate shear. There is not. They're working on figuring out if they're going to continue this tornado warning downstream into South Carolina, but as of now, there's no plans to cancel the warning, seeing that we're still seeing that rotation tight enough to where this storm could drop a tornado if it just tightens up a little bit more. So again, no confirmation of a tornado on the ground, but even if you're just outside the warning area in Tallulah Falls, near the school there, still seek shelter until the storm passes. But again, it's really between Hollywood and Turnerville, right along Highway 23, where the rotation actually is. So it's passing over Highway 23 right now. It's going to move up towards Tugaloo and then eventually into South Carolina. So hopefully, as we see this warning, this area of rotation moving out, we'll see this warning expire. And really, there's bigger picture flooding threats for the metro that are going to unfold this afternoon. And
we've been talking about just that small part of southern Rabun County included in this warning, but if it is extended northward, it may extend more of Rabun County right there along the South Carolina line. So we're going to keep tracking this as it moves up toward the north and to the east, because we are still seeing that signature actually looking pretty impressive.